Horses out, you have Luna Rosa, fast to begin, moving up in the middle, Magic Key, and on the outside, Sexy Eyes. Manila Magic is racing in fourth, Pretty Bull and House of Blues. And going along for the first turn, Magic Key setting up the tempo by about 3 lengths. Sexy Eyes in second, 2 lengths away in third, Luna Rosa, 3 lengths for the back in fourth, moving up Manila Magic. Pretty Bull and 2 far behind this House of Blues. They swing into the back. Magic E goes on by about 3 lengths. Sexy Eye still in second. Alongside third, Luna Rosa. Manila Magic in fourth. Pretty Bull is down on the inside. Pip and House of Blues. And that's still Magic E by Aralenka. Sexy Eye still in second. Luna Rosa now moving up on the outside third. Pretty Bull is down on the inside fourth. Manila Magic. Magic E, Luna Rosa, Sexy Eyes, Pretty Bull, Manila Magic, and Pibas. They come down at the last 200. Luna Rosa moving up on the outside to take the lead. Sexy Eyes in the middle. Magic E. Luna Rosa takes the lead by a length over Sexy Eyes. Magic E. And nearing the finish line, we have Luna Rosa, Sexy Eyes. Then comes Magic E, Pretty Bull, Manila Magic, and House of Blues.